Model 2004 Peugeot Boxer 290 Lux medium wheelbase, 2.0 HDI camper van MOT failure welding body, white, camper mileage, 162,490 engine, 1,997 cc 2.0 HDI transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Nice little camper conversion with leisure battery electric setup. Sync 2 sofas that turn into a double bed. Previous owner was quoted £800 to do the welding from a garage, so this could be done for less than half of this if you know someone, or for nothing if you can do yourself. Thinking face grin features, part service history, electric windows HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.